What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be doing the Supercar Mansion Rally, and then from the Mansion Rally we're going to be going to the Wheels Boutique, kind of like their open house or like their inauguration, and we're going to have a lot of famous YouTubers show up there. It's going to be a pretty exciting day. Going to see some pretty cool people and hopefully get some exciting content. So Bryce wanted me to take the M3 today. The Camaro actually has a nail in the tire. It's raining kind of lightly. We have two very fast cars in very inclement weather. We're gonna have to take it easy. We have an entirely different house right now, so this is gonna be pretty cool. I'm already seeing the entrance and it's already lined up with a bunch of supercars. Guys, this is gonna be a good one. Oh, look who it is. It's Billy Bentley's whip. It's actually insane the amount of variety here. Pretty successful meet. Look at all the cars that are outside of the meet that can't even get in. I mean, these are nice cars, so you can guys have an idea as to just how many people are here today. There's probably like 70 cars here easily. You know, coming to these meets are so motivational. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like, it's like every day I'm closer and closer to getting to one of these supercars. Okay, this house is absurdly big. This kind of reminds me of Vegas, like the ceiling there, but guys, this literally feels like I'm in a church. Like, look at this. Let's get perspectives. What the? Oh my god. Kind of have like a Versace mansion look going on here. Say hi for the vlog, bro.
What's up, man? You already know I'm back at it again, man. Hope you guys seen that last video. Check them out.
BR Ice. So guys, this is where I'm going to be coming to church, since it's essentially a freaking cathedral. Even the entrance of this thing is like... Look at this depth, and look at the lights everywhere, the columns here, like... This is where like the home movie theater is all gonna be like laid out here. They kind of have like the design of what they want to intend for it.
This fast life, this supercar rally, this is awesome. It's a great way to meet new people. And have a blessed day. Enjoy the rest of the rally. Love you guys. Let's make it happen.
my God. This is crazy. What's up, boy?
Alright guys, so I'm back in the M3. Hopefully we get some nice shots of the entire rally. All those pullouts were insane. Oh my God.
And we're off.
Oh God, as we get up to the expressway, I can already feel my body tensing up. Oh God. Woo, you can see him up ahead. Nice little straightaway. That 570S wasn't even trying. And he was like kind of pulling on me. Adios, partner. So right now we're entering the Pembroke Gardens Mall and we're gonna be having our little Supercar Saturday meet right now. Then afterwards, we will be heading to Wheels Boutique. What you gotta say?
You already know what time it is, man. We out here Supercar Saturday.
Hey! Alright guys, so I just made it to the Supercar Saturday location here at Pembroke Gardens Mall, and it's pretty packed as always. This is nice. I mean, check it out. Just a quick glance of this entire meet.
Oh my God, dream.
Guys, I promise you I'm gonna own a Z28. Every time I come to these meets, there's literally like a new car and everything is just so awesome. I just love seeing all the variety and all these people out here. Everyone's super friendly and the environment is just so friendly, and Supercar Saturday events, awesome.
Supercar Saturdays, baby, goes down like this. It's your boy Nico, hold it down. Let's go.
Man, Floyd, what's going on, man?
Chilling, baby.
Supercars are now heading out. Huracan, AMG GTR.
Aventador SV. So we're all starting to head out, going to the Wheels Boutique meetup, and let's get to it. Yo, isn't that Bryce from the BG Garage? So we got DragTimes here. How's it going, bro? Got Billy Bentley up here, pulled up. Oh my God, is that a Supra? Oh. Well, we almost crashed because this Camaro completely like cut me off. That does not represent all Camaro owners, okay? But damn, that was a close call. Oh my God. Dog!
That nigga tried to take me out.
Oh my God. Bro, yo, shout out to Brembo right now. And I can't believe we never passed 60 miles per hour. That is awesome collaboration. It's a symphony of exotics and non-exotics and just car people just singing a song for the rest of the people. And you could see people there like, oh my God, it's jerky. Oh man, and there's now a line to get in. What's up, bro? All chilling. Hey, look at Gabe. If it ain't the man himself. What's up, bro? I see you whipping. If you guys thought that the Supercar Rally meet was packed, I mean, guys, this is literally neck and neck, bone to bone. Rio though, you almost died.
Yeah, it was a truck. You got a video.
Here with my boy Alex. Go ahead and follow his Instagram. He takes fire ass pictures. We have to schedule something for my car. Road to Millions right here. Shout it out, bro.
Yeah.
Shout out, bro.
Billy Road on YouTube, man. Just follow me.
You guys found the cooling spot.
Called Axiom.
Try lifting that. No, you try lifting. I want to see it. One-handed.
Try it. It weighs nothing.
Oh my God. So I can say without a doubt that this has been a pretty good turnout. That boy gonna go deaf, man. Hey, who's this though? Oh shoot. Oh. Alright, so we're headed back inside now because it just started to rain again in sunny South Florida, huh? Now we're just waiting for the rain to stop. So far it's been a pretty good day. Lots of rain, lots of sun, but this place is popping, guys. Nice seeing you.
Likewise.
Sir, is this your car?
No, it's my dad's car.
Wait a minute, is that Parker from Vehicle Virgins? Yo, those fumes killed me, but it was damn worth it. Yo, sounds like fire, huh? I'm the most welcome.
Wrong.
Hey! All right, let's get this launch right here. Were you all content with that?
You failed.
Alright guys, so that'll be concluding today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog as much as I did, you know, just coming out here. And don't forget to comment, guys, what did you think of this day? Let me know of your thoughts on everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those notification buttons so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so see you next time.